in southern Utah. I'm going to play down here for the weekend. It was snowy all in northern Utah. I meant to go to another desert location, but there was flash flooding, so I drifted back towards southern Utah, the Moab area. So I'm going to play here for the weekend and just hang out and chill. I just wanted to get outside. Well, we got some breaded turkey cutlets, some broccoli, and some gravy I'm going to pour all over that, just kind of steaming these things. It's really late and dark, so I can't film as much, but I'm excited about this one, so I'll let this finish up, and then off we go. Starting to snow a little bit more now, so I think I just gotta go and eat it. These aren't as crispy as I hope them to be, but good enough. Okay. Pour on that gravy. Let that start warming up. Does not look good, but on camera I know it never looks as good in real life. Okay, I'm gonna let that steam up for just a couple minutes to get warm, and then we just have to eat it. Oh yeah, oh that smells so good. All right, I think it's warm enough. Shut the gas off. There's a turkey patty. Again, I know it's not pretty, but for last minute in the snow in the dark, this will do. Cut off a piece here and try it. I use the titanium, or the stainless Firebox original. Alright, kind of looks horrible, but broccoli, gravy, and a plant-based turkey breaded cutlet thing. Okay. Ooh, hot. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Broccoli's still crunchy. I like it that way. Oh yeah. Not bad. Not bad for last minute in the snow. I think it stopped snowing now. It's still going. Well, hello from inside my tent. I'm down in southern Utah. I just set my tent up because it's been snowing, and had some food really quick, which it was too dark so I couldn't really film, but I got a few little shots which I'll insert right here. But yeah, so it's dark. I'm inside my tent. It's like 8:30. Just gonna play around southern Utah for a little bit. Again, this is like the 4th or 5th time I've been here already this year, so, and I think I'll be back next weekend as well. But so yeah, it's like 32 degrees right now and dropping pretty quickly. Oh, you can't see my breath. But I think it's supposed to get down to like 14 degrees Fahrenheit tonight. But we'll see. I'm ready, nice and cozy. So I'm going to lay in bed and just read and write for a while. And I've got my remarkable tablet. I'm going to do some journaling and reading. And then we'll get up and make breakfast and have some fun tomorrow. So we'll see you in the morning.
Well, good morning. It's
about 8 o'clock in the morning. I did not sleep well at all. There's a little bit of rain and snow. There was a lot of people that came into the camp and they were quite noisy. So, didn't sleep the best, but just got up, just changed, and time to go make some coffee. Previous campers here left a pallet of wood and nails and stuff everywhere. So nice of them. Now I get to clean it up. Well, I've got the toke siphon stove going. I was curious of how well it would do on a tall Stanley instead of the flat tokes. It's actually doing pretty well. I mean, it's steaming. Doing some coffee. Next time I'm going to use the wide tokes, but I was just curious. Anyway, we're just out. It's pretty cold still. Tent's all wet. I'm getting rained on all night. But stay dry and warm, and it's pretty cold though. Just waiting for my coffee. I'm gonna switch to that next. It's almost done. Well, I swapped to the tokes. Works much better. A lot more steam. Come on, coffee. Coffee time. Ooh, coffee, yes. Finally wake up. Cheers. Ooh, that is yummy. That is really yummy. Well, Megan just messaged me on my Garmin. She's driving down right now, so she'll be here in 2-3 hours. So I'm not really sure what to do. I might go do a little quick hike or two, but also I'm thinking about doing something that I normally don't ever do, which is eat breakfast. Yeah, I'm thinking about cooking some pancakes. Yeah. And we'll see how that goes. Otherwise, I'm just enjoying hanging out. It's pretty cold, but I'm cozy and toasty, and there's dark clouds around, but I don't know what the weather is, but we'll make something out of today. Anyways, until then, I'll just keep drinking coffee. It's so good. It's so good. Yeah, this little toke siphon worked really well. Quick and easy. So, got mine from fireboxstove.com, so you can get one as well. Really simple, fast, lightweight. Kind of like it. And then cooking on a Toke's pot worked nice too, instead of a Stanley. But, yeah, really nice. Okay, check this out. A brand new, never opened, never put together. I haven't even taken it out of the pouch yet. Titanium 5-inch Firebox. All the grills. Handed to me by Steve himself. Thanks, Steve. You're a great buddy. I got this on the Kickstarter for the box pot, but I got it just a little bit early, so. So, I figured we'd crack this baby open and give it a gas burn just to kind of give it its first little intro. Ah, it doesn't look nice. Titanium, USA made. Anyway. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. First time. That's what she said. Well, the wind has really picked up, so got to plug in the external mic here. Give some wind protection. There we go. There we go. Now you're on a little wind puff. Yeah. Oh, that's so light. It's like a pound, not even a pound maybe? I don't know. It's so light. Yeah. There we go. See, wind is not a problem anymore. So, let's see. I'm going to mix some batter in here. The only thing is, I don't have like a measuring cup, so I'm just going to use this thing, which, oh, it does have measurements. That's a half cup. Steve, you're a genius. Okay, now I have a measuring cup. So we can do that. Perfect. Let's just try that. Yes. Whisk, 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 whisk. Some oil on there. Let's see, maybe I just pour? Let's just pour some. It's not horrible. Ooh, okay. Okay, it's still a little gooey over there, so I'll get that side. Not bad for the first round. Okay. Big one. Let's see. Oh, buddy. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, yeah. Nice. There. Oh yeah. Cover that up so it stays hot. Get rid of some of these burnt pieces. We're just gonna make a big old mess. There we go. Pancakes and sausage. And of course, we got some syrup we're gonna put on there. Bam! There we go. Pancakes and sausage in the windy rain. This fork isn't the best, but that's okay. Oh yeah. Oh. Ooh, and it's spicy sausage too. A little kick to it. Woo! Nice.
How are you?
Hey, look who just showed up.
What you doing, stranger?
Well, I was just walking the camp and just checking out all these empty sites.
You need a ride?
So there's, you can back up over there where my camp is.
Is that where you are?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go park.
Or you can have your own camp if you want to just have a spot. How was the drive?
It was good. It wasn't too crazy and the roads were clear and I'm all covered in salt.
Was it snowy?
Only until I got into the Moab area.
Oh. Well, we're gonna go play a little bit before the sun goes down. It's freezing. The car's not accurate, but it's probably in the 30s.
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
But I think we're gonna go do Corona Arch first, and then maybe hop into Arches, and I don't know. We'll see. Okay, we're at Corona. We're gonna go up and do this one, and the sun is out.
Ah.
Look, see all these cars behind us? That means a lot more people are starting to come down here. So the season is almost over for the year again, at least for us.
Yeah, until next year.
Okay, here we go. Well, it's a beautiful day. Much better than all the dark clouds and rain earlier.
It was like this when I left Sunday.
Except for the wind. There's the train tracks. It's always weird to see snow in Moab, even though they get it, obviously. Hanging in there?
Hello.
Kind of muddy. Taking the puffy layer off.
Ooh, it's hot.
Start cold. Alright, follow the blue lines. It's a bit more snow here than it was last time, but it's still nice. The wind chill is rather cold, but we're doing alright. Doing alright back there?
Doing good. It's beautiful.
Okay. Doing good this way. Come around. There's a lot more people here this time. Hi guys, how you doing? Doing great, thank you. Well, sorry for the wind, but here we are again. Canyon down. Snow. There's not too many people up here, unless they're walking around. Okay, go on up the chain.
Let's go. Little Spider-Man.
Spider Woman. There you go. Oop. Heat. Whoa. Okay. Up the ladder. Do it with no hands. No hands, just like your bishop does.
Oh my god.
Oh, gadoosh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good work.
You dying?
No, I'm not. I'm strong.
Looks different when the rain's pretty recent. All the water lines coming down.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go over. We'll see the toilet bowl arch. That's what I call it. It looks like a toilet bowl. It's like a bidet. Coming up on Corona. Past this arch right here. All the water trickling down. The plumbing's leaking. There's Corona. Sun's out again. It's pretty high. There's people for context. It's pretty big, and that's what she said.
It's pretty big.
Taking a break? A little worn out?
A little bit.
There's those holes up there. Alright, need a snack?
Sure.
You want a lemon bar? Oh, go!
Are you okay?
There's just this minor detail right there. Oops.
Thank you.
Tan bathing outside. We're in all our layers now and it's getting kind of warm.
And it's getting warm.
All our fleece.
Mm-hmm.
I got this new Patagonia fleece. It's really thin, I like, so it's not heavy, but it's pretty warm. And like,
Mine.
I got my hiking shirt and then my base layer and then a mesh t-shirt. So I got 3 layers and I'm roasting.
Should we move out of the sun?
That's all right. Yeah, well,
That was nice.
that was nice again.
Yeah,
For like the, what, 4th or 5th time this year?
I think so.
And it's only February.
We're doing good.
But okay, well, we're gonna hike out of here and go into Arches, I think. See some other ones again. Goodbye, Corona.
Goodbye, Corona.
Until next weekend. You're doing it, Peter. You're doing it. Okay, bye, Arch.
Bye, Arch.
Bye, people.
See you later.
Okay. It's really nice now. When the wind's not blowing, it's really nice. There's the skinny little fence.
Deep little thoughts, Shaun.
Little thoughts. I'm not 6'6" and fat.
You're not that, that's for sure.
All right.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, gotta get my glove off.
Oh no.
There we go. I'll do a few for you.
Ah, okay.
All right.
Oh, thank you.
Hopefully
Thank
those
you
are
so
okay.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, Hey, enjoy the hike. Yeah, it's really pretty. Hey.
Knuckles,
great.
yeah. Have a good time, you
I
guys.
enjoyed the hike.
Have a good day.
Hey guys, how are you? Oh, cute pucker.
You pussy.
Well, we're somewhere. Devil's Garden in Arches. We're gonna do the landscape arch. Haven't done that one in a while, so thought it'd be good just to visit again, just to knock it off the list for the year.
Yep.
And then we'll be done. So,
And then it's Thai food time.
and then it's Thai food time. But having a little snack, chewy, and then off we go. It's nice. The sun's out again. It's kind of nice. The wind is still very cold, but it's okay. Big walls. This is one that's packed like crazy in the summer, so it's good to do it now. Uh-oh. Ice, did you bring your spikes?
Yeah.
No. Megan's gonna die.
Have to see how this goes. Yikes. Yikes.
Oh, here comes the ice. Don't slip and die!
Yikes.
Don't slip and die!
Wow. Just walk in the snow. This is
Just walk in the snow, okay. I think last year we did this, or 2 years we slipped a lot. Anyway, off we go. I won't put the coat on because it's 30 degrees.
cold.
Only because the sun doesn't really get in this part, so nice and ice and snowy and cold. And then we'll get in the sun part and be hot again. I have my spikes, but we'll see if I can make it without them. Walking along in Arches, in the snow, in the snow. See those dark clouds and stuff over there raining on different parts. We got sunshine for now. Might change though. And I think we'll do Arches next weekend if might have a group that wants to go. If not, this might be the last one, maybe, for the year. I don't know.
Wow.
You do it a few times in winter, and then you're kind of done, you know? You get your fix. And then I'm good all year, and then wait for backpacking season up in the high trees, high mountain ranges. Still no slipping. No rivers for me to fall into.
What's that?
So there's no rivers for me to fall into. Nice and slick. We'll be sliding down this later. There's the arch right there. Kind of camouflaged, but it's all sandy.
Very sandy.
Yeah, the sun poking through it. You can actually keep going and climb up through there and go around, but we're not doing that today. There you go, now you can see it. The sun right through it. Good timing. There you go. There's landscape arch.
Beautiful.
What do you think?
It's so beautiful.
Long and skinny, just like me. Kind of awkward. And there's another arch over there. See that hole? There you go. Landscape arch.
There she is.
Yay. Are you ready?
Let's go.
You don't have camping supplies.
No, I don't have camping supplies. I need to get a quilt.
Well, you don't have any here, or we have to go stay in a hotel.
Yep, we're gonna go stay in a hotel.
Well, we're gonna go back and pack up camp and stay in a hotel. Okay. How you doing? All right, let's see if we slip and slide down this thing.
Yeah. Maybe I'll walk in the slush.
Do you want me to put my spikes on?
No, I'll be fine.
Yeah. Slide. Slide.
I feel bad, like we were literally
Slide.
that you were falling.
Oh, wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Hey guys. Oh, it's even worse up there. Be careful. Okay, well, made it back to camp. And there's a storm a-brewing. It's coming in real quick. So we're going to, I'm going to pack up the tent and we're going to go.
To the Hyatt.
We're going to lounge in the Hyatt. Have an adventure in a hotel.
That's camping.
She doesn't have any camping gear, so she can't stay out here. So
This is a spontaneous trip.
anyway, all right, so I'm going to pack up. All right, well, we're leaving camp, going to hotel, chickening out. Gonna take the easy road tonight. Hi, buddy. So we'll have a night in a hotel, which will be good because storms are kind of coming around. All right, see you in a hotel. Ooh. Ooh.
Alright, elevator to the street right here.
Megan's driving, watch out.
This way.
Where am I supposed to put my tent?
333. You're gonna set it up in the room and we're gonna
Where do I get my Firebox stuff out?
We're gonna have a sleepover and then out the window you can just hang yourself a little bit. Light a fire. Bring your Firebox. Firebox.
333.
I know. It's a sign.
It must be a sign from my guides.
That's right.
The source of my colon telling me what to do.
Straight out your butt.
Wow.
Here we are.
Oh, my tent will fit in here.
Yeah.
Right there. I'll put my tent up.
Oh, we have a view.
Oh, we have a view over the freeway.
Of the freeway.
Of my Forerunner!
Yay!
Yay! I can watch my Forerunner.
Power lines. We're camping now.
Okay, well, cool. We got a couch, a TV, a chair. What else do you need in life?
I mean, just some pizza and we're set.
Ooh, pizza. Okay, well, this is glamping now. Megan shows up and she's like, "We're going to the Hyatt." Screw this sleeping in the dirt when it's 20 degrees crap.
Camping here.
All right, well, we're gonna go get some Thai food.
Yes. They're open.
Okay. Looks like they're open
They're open.
this time.
They're open.
Watch, they'll be closed though, and just to mess with Megan again.
No. I'd be so sad.
All right, Thai food time.
I'm so excited.
Oh, massaman curry and peanut broccoli rice.
It's everything I've been dreaming of.
All right, I got it pretty spicy. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, and now it's snowing.
Now it's snowing.
I would be sitting in the tent in the snow right now.
Good thing I came and saved you.
Okay, well, we are full on Thai food.
Full on Thai.
Full on Thai food.
What does that mean? What is not full on Thai
We are
food?
full from the Thai food. All right. I don't know what we're doing. I guess going back to hotel
Here we go.
to lounge.
Oh,
Woo, snowy. Snow. Johnny Cash.
yeah.
Snow. Snow. Goodbye, Forerunner. Goodbye. Snow. Pooh. She's running.